So I hope my screen is visible. Yes, my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So this is the question number 1. So what will comes the next in the following letter cluster series? ABC and CZE and EXG, GVI and so IEK. So what letter will come in the next? So I hope you already know, you already learned the place values of the English alphabetical letters, right? So tell me the place value of A is 1. The place value of A is 1. Yes, sir. Then C is 3, E is 5, then G is 7, then I is 9. You see, first letter here 1, next 3, 5, 7, 9. That means gradually plus 2 is increasing. So 9 plus 2, how much? 11. So the 11th letter is K. So K is only one letter is there. So that is option 1 is the correct answer. Clear? Any doubt? Next question. So question number 2. In a code language, height is coded as 13 and feed is coded as 10. So what will be the make will be equal to dash. So you know the place values of H and I, D and E. The place value of H is 8, so I is 9, so D is 4 and E is 5. If you add the sum of this all digits, 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5. So how much? 26. If divided by 2, so we'll get the 13. So sum of the place values by 2. So then we'll get the value, right? Okay, so tell me, so here, so 6, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. So can we add this all? 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. So how much the sum? 20. So divided by 2, so we'll get the number as 10. So similarly, make. So 13, 1, so 11, 5. So 13 plus 11, 1 plus 11 plus 5. How much? 30. How much the sum? 30. 30 by 2, how much?
15.
15. Option 3. I hope are you following? Yes. Okay. Next question number 3. So the two words are given below, so are related in a certain way. So which of the options contains the two words that are related to the same? So example, steal, borrow. And so trespass, enter, kill, punch, speak, tell, and think, pound. So which is the related to the same? I think so. Trespass and enter is the similar to that word. So next question number 4. So fourth question. So there is a bag containing 3 pairs of red socks and 4 pairs of black socks and 5 pairs of white socks. So what is the minimum number of socks a blindfolded man should take out of the bag to ensure that there is a one pair of the same color is a dash? Here there are uh, 3 type of colors are there. One is red, another one is black, and another one is white. So total how many pairs are there here? So total pairs is how many pairs are there? 12 pairs are there. Yes. So total 12 pairs are there. So that means so total number of socks is equal to 24. Yes. And if a person pick minimum, so here 3 is the minimum. If a person pick so 3 socks, so it is possible to get the different color. So the different color, somebody please mute your mic. So the different colors, the colors may be, so one red and one black and one is white. One red, one black and one is white. So however, the fourth socks is picked. If I pick the fourth socks, it must be match of the one of the colored choosing, right? So one of the colored is choosing the colored the choosing the color may be either red, black and white. These three is the mandatory, and apart from these three, one we can choose any one color, either red, black and white. So if I add this all total, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, so plus 1, so which is equal to, so 4 is the minimum number of socks to be blind to a folded man. We can pick it. So option 2 is the correct answer for question number 4. Okay, so next question number 5. So let us go for the question number 5. The given diagram, so the triangle stands for the, these are the actors, and so circle stands for the singers, and the rectangle stands for the directors. So the number of different sections are indicating as a number of persons and how many directors are actors, but not in the singers. So, but not in the singers representing the as a circle, right? So then, so directors and so actors. So directors and actors, directors are representing the rectangle and actors are representing in the so right angle triangle. So you find it how many directors and actors, not for the singers. So directors and actors, one number is 13. Yes, directors and actors. So one number comes as a 13. No. So how many directors are actors? So directors is the rectangle and actors is the 10. Directors and actors, this is representing, one is a 10. Yes. And one is a 6. So 10, 6. Next, any other number? Not for the singers. So 10, 6. Is any other number? Any other number?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. So 10, 6, how much? 16, no? 16. So 16 means which option? Option 3. So next question number 6. So 3 statements are followed by the 3 conclusions. Assuming the statements be true, decide which of the conclusions logically follows. Statements all rocks are mountains. No mountain is hill. Some hill are forest. So all rocks are mountains. So let me draw the Venn diagram. So these are the rocks. All rocks are mountains. So these are the mountain. All rocks are mountain. Now here some mountains are rocks also. Clear? Some mountains are rocks also. Right. No mountain is hill. No mountain is hill. So no mountain is hill. Clear. Okay. So next conclusion. No mountain is hill. Some hills are forest. Some hills are forest. Some hills are forest. So this is the based on the information we draw the diagram. First conclusion one, no forest is mountain. No forest is mountain. Forest and mountains, any connection is there? Any connection is there? No.
No, sir.
Forest and mountain. So there is no connection. So conclusion one may follow. Next, check the conclusion two. No hill is rock. No hill is rock. So no hill is also rock. Hill and rock. But here all rocks are mountain. No mountain is hill. No mountain is hill, but hill and rock, there is no connection. Right? But some hills may rocks, some rocks may hills. The possibility are there. Right? Some rocks are may hills or some hills may rocks. So conclusion 2 is not giving the proper explanation. Then go for the conclusion 3. Some forest or mountain. Some forest and mountains, any relation is given? No. Any relation is given? So forest and mountain, no relation is given. Right? Okay, so we can follows the only conclusion one is follows. So conclusion one means which option is correct? So option 2. Yes. Okay, so next question number 7. Then go for the seventh question. Statement is followed by the two conclusions. So decide which of the conclusions logically follows from the statement. So pollution is there. So man's associated with the fast phased industrialization in the country X. Okay. Conclusions. All the cities having industries are polluted. Is it true? All cities industries are polluted. We don't know. May or may not. Right? So country X may become a polluted in future. Which country? Country X. So the country X become a polluted in future, may or may not. Okay, so this is also not sure. So neither one nor follows is the correct answer here. Because both the conclusions are given as a 50-50 chances, but not sure which is the correct, which is the wrong. Right? So that's why. So the answer is neither one nor two follows. Right. So next question number 8. Then go for the question number 8. So which one of the following Venn diagrams best illustrates the relationship among the sports person, crickets and runners? Tell me here, sports persons means it may be include the cricketers and runners. Yes, sports persons, it may include the cricketers and the runners. So the option R, you see the option C. Outside is the sports person. This is the sports person. This is the sports persons. And so some cricketers are runners and some runners are cricketers. Chances are there, right? Some cricketer runners run, some runners are cricketers. So option 3 is the correct answer here. Clear? Please, so anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
So next question number 9. So question number 9. So train A leaves the same station in the same direction. So 1 hour after, train B leaves with the same speed of 5 times as fast as that B. So after how long A departure will be A meet with the B? Okay, so suppose here train A. So train A, so we consider the VA and so train B. So train B, so we can consider VB. VB. Here VB is the speed of the train. So that means, so this is representing as a speed of a train. Speed of a train. So this is also same speed of a train. We already know the formula of distance is equal to speed into time, right? And the time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so the first one, so 1 hour late, B leaves the speed is 5 times as fast as that of T. So the train A is in the same direction 1 hour after train B leaves. So then, so VA is equal to 5 times of VB. So now here the distance traveled by the train B before train A, it will be the departure by 1 hour after. 1 hour after. So to calculate the distance, so the distance D is equal to, so VB is equal to, so VB, okay, sir, the distance is equal to, so speed into time, VB into 1 is equal to VB. Now here to calculate the relative speed, right? So to calculate the relative speed, so V relative speed, which is equal to, so VB, sorry, VA minus VB. So VA is equal to, so, 5VB minus VB. So which is equal to 4VB. 4VB. Now here to calculate the time, to calculate that, so time is equal to, so distance by speed. So distance by, so V relative, that is the speed. V relative, so distance is equal to, say, VB by V relative, so which is equal to, so 4VB. This VB cancel one time, which is equal to 1 by 4. So to convert the minutes, so 1 by 4 into, so 60. So to cancel 415, so which is equal to, so 15 minutes. So A will be meeting, so how many minutes? 15 minutes after A will be meeting. I hope so. Clear? So next question number 10. So question number 10. So how many triangles are there in the following figure? In this figure, how many triangles are there? So before discussing this problem, so I will ask one question. So suppose this is the triangle. Suppose if I draw the triangle, tell me how many triangles are there? In this figure, how many triangles are there?
8.
3. How 3? In this figure, how many triangles are there? Just my question is, there is two triangles are there. In this figure, how many? Only one triangle is there. This is one triangle. So if we draw one line means already one triangle is there. So you multiply. So 1 into 2, so equal to 2. So suppose if I draw line, draw triangle, one line, two lines. Tell me how many triangles are there? Main triangle is 1. Next 1, 2, 3. So how many? 3 triangles are there, right? So like that, so same in this figure. So to identify the, so how many triangles are there? So we label it A, so A, so B, C, D, E, F. First we identify the triangles. So what are the triangles will come here? So ABC is the one triangle. Next ACD is the one triangle. Then ABD is the one triangle. So ABD is the, somebody is marked. ABD is the one triangle. Then ADE is the one triangle. Correct answer. AB is the one triangle. ACE is one triangle. ACE. Then AEF is also one more triangle. ACE is also one more triangle. Then ADF is also one more triangle. Now count it. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ABC, ACD, ABD, ADE, ABE, ACE, AEF, okay, and ABF. Okay, so total, so number of triangles we got it as so 10, 10. So here one line is there to multiply into 2. Line is there, multiply into 2. So total, so 20 triangles will get it. So option 2 is the correct answer. Yes, please. So next question number 11. To rotate the positions of a cube are given below. So which number will be comes at the bottom of the 4? At the bottom, if 4 is in the top. Here 1 is the common number for both the dice. Yes, common number for both the dice. So this 1, so if a common number for both the dice, you exclude that 1 part. Then so 6, 3 and 3, 6. 6, 3 and 6, 3, 6. So when the dice, if you flip or rotate, 3 comes 6, 6 comes 3. Then so here 4 at the top is, we'll get it as only one number, that is 5. Option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next one. So question number 12. So the question number 12, you see the figure. So missing the figure from the options. So if you see here, this it will goes to the top. This arrow will comes to the top. This figure comes to the top. And the vertical, it will goes to the horizontal. Vertical part may goes to the horizontal and the bottom part will goes to the top. Okay. So similarly, this goes to the top. This vertical, sorry, this horizontal comes to the vertical. Now you identify. So which option will be the matching? Which option will be the matching? The bottom part goes to the top like this. Okay. So the rhombus diagonal comes to the vertical. The rhombus diagonal comes to the vertical. So which one is the matching? This one, fourth option, option 4. Okay. Next question number 13. So question number 13. You see how many line segments are there in this figure? 6 line segments are there. Here, 5 are there. 5 are there. Here how many are there? 4 are there. So here 3 are there. So here 2 will come. Okay, so 2 will comes means so either P and Q. Okay, when you see, so one case is the horizontal and another case is the vertical. Again horizontal, so vertical. Then next case it will be followed as a what? Horizontal. Horizontal means Q. Q is the correct answer. Clear? Next question number 14. This question number 14 is a similar, same question of the question number, I think 2 or 3. Okay, option 4. Option 2 is the correct. So same color will get it as 4. Like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So total 4 will get it. That is option 2. Okay. So 14th one is similar to the same question of the question number 4. 4th question and 14th question is same. So next one, so 15th question. So question number 15. 4 boys is there. So A, B, C, D are friendly with the 4 girls, P, Q, R, and S. one boy is friendly with one girl. A does not like P and R. So A is the person. He does not like P and R. So that means he like only Q and S. And C is the person. So does not like Q. So C is the person does not like Q means so either he can like P or S. P or S. Okay, then B is friendly with yes. So B is friendly with yes. B is friendly with yes means so E is not close with yes, and C is also not close with the yes. So remove that yes part. And D is not friendly with R. So D is not friendly with R means so maybe D is friend with P only. So D is friend with the P only. Then C is friend with the R. So D friend with P. So option 4 is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. So next one. So 16th question. So question number 16. Okay. So in a row, 7th from the left and Ankur is the 16th from the right. Shweta is exactly in the middle of the Bhikshu and Ankur. The Bhikshu and Ankur interchange the places. Interchanging the places. So, so Ankur would be the 26th from the right. So how many persons are there between the Shweta and Ankur? So Bhikshu is the left and Ankur is in the right. You one position is left and another position is right. You can add the positions. 7 plus 16, how much? 23. Yes or no? 23. Okay. So and Ankur will be the 26th from the right. So 26 from the right, you can so subtract it. 3 plus 1. 1 is what? Position. So 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. So fourth one is option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer. So how many persons between Shweta and Ankur? So between the 4 peoples are there. So clear? Next one. So 17th question. So question number 17. So 3 of the following 4 terms are alike in a certain way and one is a different. Find out the odd one out. So here one is a different. You identify that odd one out. You know, so H the place value is 8 and so Q the place value is 7 and a 9. So 8 plus 9 how much? 17 will get the third number. So H, so 8 plus 9, so is equal to Q. So that is a 17. Together sum is a 17. So 4, so 10. So this is a 5. So 4 plus 5, so will it be get 10? J value is a 10. Will you able to get 10? No. Next one. So J is a 10 and U is a 21. So 10 plus 11, so will able to get 21? Yes. L is a so 12 and Y is 25 and Y is a so 25 and 13. So 12 plus 13, so we'll able to get 25. Yes, this is also possible. Only option 2 is the different, right? So option 2 is the different. So find out the odd one out. Odd one out is a option 2. Clear? Yes, please. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so we must go for the next question. So 18th question. So this 18th question. So all of you please take screenshot. So it may some content is missing, I think. So not sure. I will see the exact question for you. Shreyan, how can you say A? Can you explain me? this question. So I have to see the exact question paper. Then only I can conclude. So I hope my I think there is any content is missing. This question. Next question number 19. Then go for the 19th question. A3B, C8E, F15 1, so J24L, U22A equal to dash. So as you know, the place values of A is 1, C is 3, and F is 6, and J is 10. And U is also 21. As you see the first number here first number, so the difference is +2. Here first number, here the first number, the difference is +3. So +4, right? So +2, +3, +4. So then, so how much? +5, +5. So +5. So 15th letter. So what is the 15th letter? O. There are two options are there in the 15th letter O. So option 1 and option 3. Right? So then check the another one. So 3, 8. So if you add +5, we'll get the next number. Then so 8 plus 15. So if I add 7, we'll get the next number. 15 to 24. So how much should I add? +9. And next number comes means how much should I add? 11. So 24 plus 11, which is equal to 36. So 36 option is only one is there. That is so option 1 is the correct answer.
Sir, 24 plus 11, 35.
24 plus 11. Sorry, 35. So 35 means so only we have the one option. So that is option. Clear? Next question number 20. So every minute the flower is found get doubled. If the found was full with the flowers in 1 hour, when found will be so 1/4 of the full. So found is doubled if the found was full of the flowers in 1 hour. So 1 hour contains how many minutes? 60 minutes. So it will be the double. 60 into 2. So how much? 120 minutes. So in this 120 minutes, the found will be the 1/4 of the time it will be filled. So 120 into 1/4. So how much? So 30th minute. So the found will be the 1/4 of the time. So option B, option 2, not for A. Option 2. So next question number 21. So question number 21. The numbers are arranged according to a certain pattern in the following figure. Which number will be replaced in the question mark? As you know, so 9, 9. So the combination is 9 times 9 and 27. So 9 times 3. Here, whatever the number you are getting, same number we are multiplying, then only we get the above number. Right? So, and next one. So 8 times 8, 64, and 8 times 3, 24. So here the number is missing. So 72 and 18. So here no option is matching here. So no option is matching. Maybe the question or options are given wrong. So options are wrong. Same number should be none of this. Correct. So same numbers, it won't be the repeat here. If I take 8 into 8, 64. So, but here not possible to get 72. Then if I take 16 times 16, 256. but here in the box it is given 72. So this is also not possible. Then 20, if I take 20 times 20, 400. But here the option is 72. This is also not possible. Then 12, if I multiply 12 times 12, so 144. But here 72 is there. So no options are matching. So clear? Okay. Next, question number 22. In question number 22, so okay, so it is the analogy part. So BFD, so ratio GKI and LR. You know the place value of B is equal to 2 and G equal to 7. 2, 7, what is the difference? 5 is there. And here the L is 12. If I add 12 plus 5 is Q, only one option is there. That is option. How yes? How is yes? No? Can you tell me? Somebody is annotated. How is yes? So 2 plus 5, these two you can add. 2 plus 5, 7. The 12 plus 5, 17. So 17th letter is what? Q. Okay. Next question number 23. So question number 23. So P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting in a row. So facing in the north. So R is the immediate left to P and Q is the third left to S. P is adjacent to S and the second left to R. So which two are sitting at the extreme ends? So 6 persons are there. So they are facing in the north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 persons. They are facing in the north side direction. Okay. So here the given information is R is E is the left to the T. If R is left to the T, suppose if I replace R here, so then T sit here. And Q is the third left of S. If I S place here, third left, so Q can sit here. Okay. Then P is adjacent to S. P is adjacent to S. P is adjacent to S. Then second left to R. Okay. P is adjacent to S. P is adjacent to S. Okay. So we can cut one line here. One we can add here. So this is a P is adjacent to S. And the second left to R. Yes, it is matching. Then only one person is missing. That person is a U. So which is the stream in the extreme ends. So extreme ends is one is P and another one is U. This is also none of this. Okay, but they haven't given U information. This person information is not at all given. Okay, that means U will be placed as a extreme, either left or right. Okay, so this is also none of this. None of this. There is no exact answer of this question. Clear? Okay. Next one. So question number 24. So three of somebody is annotated. Please, Shreyan. Shreyan. Okay, so three of the four numbers are aligned in a certain way. Let's find out the number. So we can write it as 15 square, 196, 14 square, 256, 16 square, and so 729. So we can write it as 27 square R. So 9 cube. So except the 729, rest all the square numbers. 729, so we can write it as square and a cube. So fourth option is the different one. Okay. Next question number 25. So same, the question number 25 is also, so this they given as a both same answers, same options. And option 1 is also plus. How will interchange plus? There is no meaning. Okay, so this is also option, will get it as none of this. But let me check the option 4. If I check the option 4, so plus and minus you can interchange. This is the minus, this is the plus. This is the division. Okay, so 20 minus 16 plus 12 into 6 division 3. So we'll able to get the value equal to 25, right? Use the BODMAS rule. Okay, so division. So how much it will come here? 2. And so multiplication. 2 into 2, so 24. So 20 minus 16 plus 24. So 20 plus 24, so 44 minus 16. 44 minus 16, so 28. So, but here the option is 25. So this, it won't be the matching. So then check plus and minus. Interchange the plus and minus. If I interchange plus and minus, so plus and into, so plus as into and into as a plus. So 20 into 16 minus 12. So plus 6 division 3, so which is equal to 25. As you know, so 6 division 3, 2. And so 20 into 16, 320. So minus 12 plus 2. So 322 minus 12. So we'll able to get 25? No. So 310 will get it. So this is also not possible. So answer is none of this is the correct answer.
Sir,
So
in
none of
either,
this.
excuse me. Sir,
Yes, please.
either in option 4 or 2, we have to interchange plus and division, sir.
Plus and division.
Division.
Okay. So this I can change as a division. Plus and division. Okay. Let me check. So 20. So division 16. So minus 12. So into 6 into 6 plus 3 equal to 25. So 20 division 16. So 4, 4, 4, 5. So minus 12 into 6 plus 3. So as you see, so 5 by 4 minus 12. So 5 by 4 minus 12 into 6 plus 3. 5 by 4 minus 72 plus 3. So 5 by 4. So minus 72 plus 3 is how much? Minus 69. So how it will come 25 more? So plus division also not matching. Okay, next one. So 26th question. So find the odd one out. So truck related to the driver, hotel manager is managing the manager. So missions operator. So meeting speaker, not for the audience. So fourth one. Next 27th one. 5:30. So 5:30, as you know. So 5 square plus 5. Then only we'll get the 30. Similarly, so 18:342. So 18 so 18 square plus 18. So we'll get 342. So then 12 12 plus 12. So 144 plus 12. So how much? So 156. So option 3 is the correct answer. Clear? Next one. So question number 28. A man walks from his office 300 meters towards the east and then turn to the right and walk 400 meters. Again, he takes two right turns, walking 400 and 160 meters respectively to reach the shopping mall. So what is the distance between the office and the shopping mall? So office 300 meters towards the east. So 300 meters towards the east. Then so after that he turned to the right. Turn to the right means in the direction of the south. So this is the 400 meters. He turned to the right in the 400 meters. And once, okay. After that, again he turned to walk 400 meters and 160 meters. And to south direction to the right means where if I am there here in the south direction, my left goes to the right, right goes to the left. So right, he traveled in 400 meters. So this is the 400 meters he traveled. Again, he took the right. He traveled in 160 meters. So 160 meters of, so west, that is the north direct, no, okay, west to the right, that is the north direction, 160 meters. So this is his office and he reached to the shopping mall. How much distance is there? So this is 160. If I connect this one, so this is 400. So the complete is the 400. The rest you can subtract 400 minus 160. How much part it will come? 400 minus 160, 240. So 240 meters. So option 3 is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Next question number 29. It's a very interesting question. Okay, so which are the exactly divisible by 3, so which are not immediately preceded by a odd number. So not preceded by a odd number. So exactly divisible by 3 and besides it won't get the odd number. Suppose 24, 33. 24 is exactly divisible by 3. So it will be 33 is the odd number. So it won't be get the pair. Next 25, 27, so it won't be the divisible. Next 24, 36. 24, 36, as you see, 24, so it will be the divisible by 3 and 36 is not an odd number. This is the one pair. Next, another pair. As you see, 45 and 33. 45 is divisible by 3, but 33 is the odd number. So eliminate. Next, 38, 45. So 38 is divisible by 3. No. Okay. Next, 15 and 24. As you see, 15 and 24. 15 is divisible by 3 and the preceding number is not an odd number. It is an even number. Next. 12, 18. As you see the 12 and 18. So 12, it will be the divisible by 3 and 18 is not an odd number. Next. So 39 and 29. 39, so it will be the divisible by 3, but 29 is the odd number. So we have only the 3 pairs are there. 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3. One more pair is missing. Thirty-three, 25, so not possible. 33, 38. 33, 38. Total how many pairs? 33 is not an odd number. So 38 is not an odd number, right? But 33 is exactly divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. So option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Right. So next, so question number 30. So M is a father of N and grandfather of P. And Q is a brother of P. And Q's mother R is married to S. N is the sister of R. So how is S related to M? First, we'll frame the diagram. M is a father of M. So as you know, N father is M. So N father, mother is the first generation. So N father is the main person. We can represent like this. And grandfather of P. So P grandfather is a okay. So the grandfather of son-in-law. Okay, very good. Okay. So and N is P is a grandfather of N. So grandfather. So grandfather, grandmother is which generation? Second generation. So grandfather. So that means so we got the so N gender also. He is the male person. And Q is a brother of P. So P brother is a Q. And Q's mothers R is married to S. So Q mother are married to S and N is a sister of R. So N sister is R. So N sister is R and R is married to S. So that means S and R are the married couples. S and R are the married couples. So then, so S related to M. So S related to M is dash. So wife father. So wife father. So we call as wife father is called me as a son-in-law. Yes, son-in-law. So option 2 is the correct answer. So clear? Any doubt?
Awesome.
Okay. So thank you. Will rest will continue the tomorrow. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.